गुड आफ्टरनुन क्लास 10। आज म तिमीहरूलाई 19 र 17-18 आएको प्रश्नहरू दिन लागिरहेछु। लास्ट च्याप्टर सैटेलाइट इमेजरी एंड टोपोग्राफिकल म्यापबाट बुझ्यौ त। प्रश्न छ, ब्रिफली डिस्कस अबाउट 3 मेन क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर अफ सैटेलाइट इमेजरी। ओके, यो माध्यमिकमा आएको छ 2009 मा। The characteristics of satellite images. The characteristics of satellite images are as follows. Number 1, these are produced in digital form. Okay. Number 2, satellite images are generated from line scanners and digital camera. Number 3, basic element of these images is a pixel. Number 4, Gray processes raw and column structure. Number 5, scan lines may be observed. 6, 0 is a value that does not indicate absence of data. 7, images can be generated for any part of electromagnetic EM spectrum. Number 8, every point on the image has a certain digital number. And number 9, the colors of images can be changed during processing. Okay, so these are the characteristics of satellite imagery. Okay, त्यसरी नै माध्यमिक 2019 मा आएको प्रश्न छ, mention the merits and demerits of remote sensing. रिमोट सेन्सिङ को फाइदा अनि नोक्सान के छ। मेरिट्स अफ सैटेलाइट इमेजरीज. द इमेजरीज कैन बी गिवन अ synoptic view of Earth in 23 cm into 23 cm maps. Also, some imageries may represent an area as large as 30,000 square kilometer in one map. Number 2, information of the resources and the physical process walking in rugged and the difficult terrain can be generated easily. Informations regarding oceans are also available. Number 3, the clean images of the earth can be taken even if there is heavy cloud cover. Number 4, the information gathered is digital in nature, hence they can be analyzed easily with precision and the help of computer. The weather forecast and the regular updates regarding physical processes can be gathered. त्यसपछि आउँछ demerits. These are the merits of satellite images. Okay, and the demerits. What are the demerits? Number 1, the images cannot be taken in cloud cover without the help of microwave sensors. Number 2, critical survey of minute areas is not available. Number 3, the actual height or the size of any object cannot be determined accurately. Number 4, similar objects lying adjacent to each other are difficult to access and explain. The whole process of acquiring imageries is very expensive. Okay, so यो process चाहिँ कस्तो छ, expensive छ। अब त्यही पार्टबाट आएको 2018 मा आएको सर्ट क्वेसन छ, what are the difference between topographical map and satellite imagery. So लेफ्ट साइडमा छ तिम्रो satellite imageries and राइट साइडमा छ topographical map, जम्मा 4 वटा डिफरेन्स यहाँ देखाइएको छ। नम्बर 1, prepared from photos captured satellite sensor, and topographical map prepared by field survey. Satellite imagery represents landforms and other features as they look originally. Number 2, topographical map represents landforms and other features by conventional sign. Then number 3, images of difficult terrain can be taken easily. Topography very difficult to conduct survey on rugged terrain. The modern concept of depending on sophisticated technology ट्रेडिसनल वे अफ म्यापिङ सर्भेड एरियाज। टोपोग्राफिकल म्याप चाहिँ पहिले पुरानो मेथड हो अनि सेटेलाइट इमेजरी चाहिँ के हो, मोडर्न मेथड हो। अनि त्यही पार्टबाट 2017मा पनि आएको छ, डिस्कस अबाउट द 3 मेजर युजेस अफ सेटेलाइट इमेजरीज। Uses, what are the uses? The satellite imageries may be of total hemisphere or the segments of the earth surface. Number 2, information of relief, physical process such as works of rivers and the glaciers, etc. Distribution or the resources, groundwater resources, etc. can be gathered easily by studying satellite imagery. Okay. So, the information of the relief, physical process and such work of river, wind, glacier, etc. distribution of resources, groundwater resources, etc. can be generated easily. Okay. So, यो भयो तिमीहरूको 2017 मा आएको प्रश्नको उत्तर। इमेजरीज अफ रकेट टेरेन सच एज माउन्टेन रिजन क्यान बी क्याप्चर्ड इजिली, यहाँसम्म भयो। ओके, अब तिमीहरूको नेक्स्टमा म ग्रुप ईमा आउने लङ क्वेसनहरू कस्तो आउँछ, कुन कुन च्याप्टरबाट आएको छ त्यसबारे डिस्कसन गर्नेछु।